Okay.
Everyone, Zania here. So if you're new in my channel, then welcome. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So let's go into my video now. Zarya, are you even done packing? Well, mommy will pack for me. Whatever. Okay, I need socks. Why do you need socks? Obviously, just use the same pairs. I do that. Ew. Okay, what shoes should I wear? Okay, I'll probably do this one. Zarya? Yeah? Did you take my slippers? Did you have any slippers? Whatever. Okay, I just need my cell phone. And I'm ready to go. Okay, my cell phone. What else do I need? I feel like I'm missing something. Hurry up. I want to play Roblox. Okay. Well, you're not allowed to play on my phone. What? Remember, you're not allowed to play on gadgets right now. Ugh. Well, I probably need this hat. It doesn't match your outfit. Let's just go. Okay, let's go check on Mom and Dad. Mom, I'm ready. Why are you still in your car? 'Cause I want to go by my own. Okay. Well, you better go out of your little car thing, 'cause we don't want you wearing that. Mom, are you having problems? Yeah, I don't know how to say to him. What to say to him? Come on. What's your name again? How could you forget your own brother name? Sebastian? This is Sebastian, baby I'm holding. Oh yeah. Zaire. Okay, Zaire, you better get out of there. And we need to go. Yeah, let's go now. Wait for me. We're finally here. I'll just go take off my slippers. Mom, isn't that your house slippers? Well, yes, but I'll just get a new one. Okay, I should probably go now. Yeah. Mommy, can you carry me? Okay. What about me? Oh, okay, hold up. Watch your siblings in the boat, okay? Okay, Mom. Okay, Sarah, you're next. Wait, I need my cool shades. It's not really cool, but okay. Okay. Hold up, I'm just gonna go take our items somewhere. Okay, you guys stay there, okay? I'm just gonna go a bit deep. What? Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, I can't? What do you mean you can't? We can't use Sissy. What if he drowns? That's true. She didn't have swimming lessons yet. But she does know how to swim. But what if she suddenly drowns? That is true. Should we go? I mean, I have a life vase. Vase? Yeah, I heard that's what we call it. Okay. I should probably go down. Do you know how to swim? I don't really know, but I could try. Okay, go on. Is it deep? A bit. Oh, should I come down too? Yeah, you have a life vest on anyways. Okay. I should go deep down. La la la. Wait, I think I'm losing balance. What? Grab my hand. Oh, the wind is so, What? There! Saya! Okay, I'm holding in the floaty. I got on. Saya, come. Wait, okay. You stay there. I'll go get... Oh, Sissy. Okay, make sure she's safe. Okay. Can I borrow your life vest? Okay, hold up. I'll try to remove it. Sorry there, I can't remove it. Oh, it's okay. You know, I am Superman. Whatever you say, go check on Sonia. Sonia, okay. Sonia? Huh? Who's calling me? I think the creatures are calling me. I should probably go even further. Sonia, no! Ow! I accidentally fell. There? Oh my gosh, I told you to stay there. Well, me and Zaria was worried about you, so we tried to save you. You realized you couldn't swim, okay? Sorry, it's fine. Is everything okay? Yeah. Zaire almost drowned, and Shania saved him. It was so amazing. Well, I guess Superman needs help sometimes. Okay, Superman. Okay, well, I'm gonna go far. I don't think you should do that. Just stay with your brother and sister. I'll try to go. Can I borrow this? Mom, I really want to go. Well, I'll go check what's there. Okay, Mom. Ooh, this is pretty deep. I don't think Sania should go here. Wait, is that a chest? Hold up, I'll just call this Sanaya. Sanaya! Yeah, Mom? I found a chest there. Really, Mom? I think we should get it. I can't swim that far. Okay, I'll go get it. Sania, no, it's too far. Well, I already got these Google things. Google, you mean goggles? Yeah, whatever this thing is called. Oh my gosh, there is a chest. So many fishies. Ow, ow, ow. Mom! Oh, yeah, Sania? Help! What happened? Mom, grab my hand, please. A fish bite me. What? I didn't understand you. Oh, help! Okay, are you okay now? Not really, Mom. A fish literally bited my leg. Are you sure? Does it hurt? A bit. Well, you should probably go and put some medicine on it. Okay, Mom, whatever you say. Here is my goggles. Okay, have fun with my goggles. Okay, I will go down there now. Okay. There are so many fish. I should try to open this. I need the key. Hey. Yeah. There's a chest down there. I think you should get it. Okay. It's locked though. Whatever you say. Maybe there's a million quadrillion dollars. That doesn't exist, but okay. Where are you going, Daddy? Oh, I'm going deep down, okay? Ooh, there's so many fish. I can't open it. I need to use my muscles. I can't open it. Zoe? Yeah? I can't open it. Well, we should look for the keys. Mom, we shouldn't do that, you know. I mean, after all, the chest is not ours. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying my video. So, there will be a part 2 that will probably posted in either Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure, but I promise I'll post it. Bye!